Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Let's make some drop Toto. Yes guys, I said drop Toto. Let's get started. So here I have a coconut. I'm just going to go ahead and break this coconut apart. You want to use a heavy object to break your coconut, aka a hammer, or you want to go outside and smash it on the ground. Whatever works for you. So here I am breaking the coconut apart, and I'm just going to use this dish towel to hold the coconut as to remove the coconut inside, and so the knife doesn't slip and cut your hand, because this part can be real tricky and it can also be easy if you're used to this. So you just want to run the knife along the sides of the shell and kind of pull it forward to remove the coconut. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse this up and show you what I do next. And as always, Toto is made with fresh coconut. So here I am grating up my coconut. But if you want a shortcut version and you have bad coconut, go ahead and use that. By all means, use what you have. So here I am grating up my coconut. I'm using this side of the grater because I want my coconut to have a little bit of texture. And here are the rest of the ingredients. I have some all-purpose flour, the coconut of course, some coconut milk. I have some brown sugar, some melted butter. I have some vanilla. For my spice, I have allspice, salt, and cinnamon powder, my raisin, and some baking powder. So to a bowl, I'm just going to add everything in no particular order. My grandmother used to make this on Sundays after she squeezed the juice from the coconut to make the rice and peas. She would do this in the evening as a little dessert, so nothing will go to waste. But here I'll be using the fresh coconut that I just grated, and you want to combine everything in it. The raisin is not a must, but I like raisin. I like the golden raisin, but if you don't have it, you don't have to add it. It's not a must, but I like it. So here I am adding my raisin. Now I'm going to add my milk and my melted butter, and I'm going to mix the combine. And yeah, that's basically it. This recipe is so easy to create. I will leave the full measurement down below so you could go ahead and follow. And as I mentioned before, it's drop Toto. I will be baking these individually so everybody could have one. And that's how my grandmother used to do it on Sunday. So she would bake these and everybody would have one, but she would normally bake it on an open flame. Yeah, she was that good. But I'll be baking mine in my oven. So now that everything is nice and combined, you want to make sure you get a lined baking tray with parchment paper to do this. Or if you don't have parchment paper, just make sure you grease the pan properly. And here I am using a 1/4 cup measure to kind of get them even. But of course, feel free to freehand this. Just make sure that they look about the same size. And I'm just going to go ahead and scoop this all up until I'm done. This particular mixture gave me 12. So you could make them as big or as little as you like. And in the meantime, my oven is being preheated to 350 degrees. Now that I'm done, I'm going to bake this in the 350-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what they are looking like. They are smelling amazing. And I'm going to go ahead, remove these, place them on a wire rack to cool. At this point, they are pretty soft because it's like a Toto cake texture like. So they're pretty soft. You want to allow them to cool down and firm up a bit. And this is what they are looking like. The Toto look and smell amazing. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button. Leave me a comment down below. Give the video a big thumbs up. You truly help out my channel a lot by doing doing that, and I really appreciate it. Now let me show you what it looks like on the inside. This is soft and tender, just as a Toto would be. It's fragrant and it's super delicious. Try this recipe out and come back and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about it. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.